Okay, I'm planning to buy more Ethereum this week, actually, not Bitcoin. Let me explain to you why, okay? Having a look at this powerful data, it's called Commitment of Traders on this website, marketmakeclear.com. What is Commitment of Traders? It tracks the future contract. In simple terms, it is tracking the smart money on crypto future contracts. So we're looking at the Ethereum Commitment of Traders. You can see the red line represent the short contract. They have no interest to sell. They're dropping that to a really low level. And green line represent the buying contract, the long contract. They continue to buy more. So it's a very bullish signal, okay? So let's get into the chart. The chart itself is looking good. We had a big buying on Wednesday the 8th. We got a little bit of retracement, okay, but which is fine. I like to use the pivot. So the pivot acts as a extra support resistance. We are way above the monthly pivot already, so we are in R2, but because it's a change of trend, you can see made a base and change of trend. I'm not really worried about that too much. I'm already bought some like investing, but now I'm talking about potentially trade it, use a CFD method to trade that. You can see I have a 4 hour, might be a bit better, 4 hour chart. I like to see price break above the 2000 level, stay above there, and I think the weekly pivot will be stepping down. You can see it likes to I like to use that as an extra sort of support level. So my plan would need to see it break above the 2000, stay above 2000. I might take a retest in this area and then let it run maybe to around 2200s. Because it's short-term trading, I will take some profit. The swap is quite expensive on trading cryptocurrency. Actually, it's about £30 a day. So having a look at Bitcoin is bullish. We have 1 or 2 days selling and now we're just ranging up. I like to see it break above the 38,000. Then we don't have much of a resistance. We've got a little bit of soft level, but we should be heading back. I like to see the year end above the $50,000 mark and then stay above there. So I'm not saying that price will go on a straight line, but it will go volatile a little bit. But on the whole, that I am bullish. I think we are in a bull market on cryptocurrency. Okay. Let's have a quick look on the other chart. On the trading view is something that I use a lot. Let's have a quick look on Coinbase, one of the biggest crypto exchange. We can see now the accumulation is continuing to go on to the upside, so the buying volume is increasing. We broke off the resistance, we're staying above the resistance. So potentially could be short-term trading this as well. I could do that, but let's drop down to a 4 hour. When it breaks above, looks like Tuesday, I think it's a good one to have a look. Break above this. If I see bullish momentum on Ethereum and Bitcoin, I might take that above $99, $100 and take it to about 116. But I'll use an intraday method to trade Coinbase. All right. Finally, let's have a quick look at Ripple and see. I don't do an awful lot of trading on Sunday, which I'm looking at that on a Sunday. Yep, got a little bit of a corrective pattern in here, but overall we are still on an uptrend. So accumulations is good. So yeah, I already bought some. I'm not gonna buy around, I bought some around 40 something, 50 something cents. I'm happy to hold on to it. I'll add my final bid when it breaks above $1, so which is probably maybe in a few weeks time anyway. So overall, I'm still bullish. I remain bullish on cryptocurrency. Do you guys agree with my plan? If you have any question, drop me a question. Many thanks.